how are you? Welcome to my channel somycrafty. I'm here with a new tutorial of green color cute earrings, beaded earrings. So we will start with 6 golden seed bead eto, 6 seed bead etos. Now we have to tie double knot. We will make double knot. It's done. Now we have to start here. We will add these beads. You can see number of beads on your screen. 1 seed bead, 1 bicone, green bicone, parrot green bicone, 4 mm, 1 seed bead 1 crystal bead dark green, 1 seed bead and 1 bicone and 1 seed bead. After adding these beads, after passing through seed bead, we are adding again 1 seed bead, 1 bicone 4 mm, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal bead 4 mm green, 1 seed bead. Again the same number of same beads we will add here, passing through bicone and seed beads. We have added green beads, dark green crystal beads and light green parrot green bicones 4 mm. The same number, the same beads we are adding again, and now we will pass through bicone 4 mm and seed beads, and in this way we have added these beads. Now the last beads addition of this round we are going to add here at the end of this round. 1 seed bead 1 crystal bead 4 mm with 1 seed bead 2 seed beads and 1 crystal bead we have added, and in this way we have completed this round. Now second round is started with these beads, 1 seed bead, 1 bicone, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal bead, 1 seed bead and 1 bicone and 1 seed bead, and we have added passing through green crystal bead which we added in the last round. Now we are passing through 2 golden seed beads, and here we will again add 1 seed bead, 1 bicone 4 mm, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal bead and 1 seed bead, and we will pass through green bicone bead with and seed beads. And now we are passing through crystal bead, green, dark green crystal bead. Here we have to add again 1 seed bead, 1 bicone, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal bead and 1 seed bead, and we will pass through 4 mm bicone and seed bead and crystal bead, and in this way we have completed our beads setup of adding these beads, green beads and seed beads And after adding these beads, we will move to upper part of our earring. We have to pass through different beads randomly to go to upper part of our beaded earring. This is very easy pattern as usual and very easy to make, and I hope you would like color selection of this color combination, light and dark color combination of greens, green beads. Here we have to pass thread from all side beads. This is very important part of our earrings. We have to pass thread through all side beads, crystal beads and bicones. Now we have to pull this thread to shape our upper beaded part to like a cap. We have to make a curve here. After pulling thread, it is shaped. Now we are adding here earring wire with 2 green crystal beads and 2 seed bead etto. We are adding it. We have attached our earring wire with green beads, crystal beads and 2 seed beads. Now it is almost complete. We will pass thread once more time. We have to pass our thread from earring wire and beads once more time because we want to make it secure. Here we are passing our thread from seed beads, and now we will make some finishing knots to make it secure. We will make some knots from back side of our earring. Keep it in mind, we have to make these knots from back side. 2 or 3 times you have to make these knots from different points. We will pass our thread and make knots. Now it is done. We will trim the extra thread, and after this we will, you can see the final look. It's ready now. Our beaded earrings are ready. Very cute color combination. I hope you would like it, and don't forget to subscribe somycrafty. It's your own channel. It brings very useful practical videos for you, and I hope you would like to watch these videos. So kindly subscribe, like, share my channel. Make your channel successful. It's your own channel. This is the final look of our today's project, our today's earrings. Very cute look. I hope you would like to make for yourself. Very easy but very unique, colorful jewelry. bicones and crystals and seed beads enhance its beauty. Okay, subscribe my channel. I will say bye now. Take care. Lots of love. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.